Welcome to S&C Custom Designs. Today we made a table saw sled for S&C Custom Designs. Why do you need a table saw sled? What does it do for you? First of all, it keeps your hands safe from the blade. When you have those really awkward pieces, I'm making a bookshelf, and the first thing you'll notice on my table saw is it goes to 1.5 inches. That's not quite long enough. What if I need to cut more than 1.5 inches? That's where the sliding table saw unit comes in. So my design, it was fun. I basically took 3 2x4s and I glued them up. Make sure you use your joiner. And I attached it to what used to be one piece of plyboard, which is now 2. And you can see it has these runners here that go into the slots of the table saw. That allows it to slide perfectly and in control. So this is really kind of exaggerated, but it's nice and big. It allows me to push on the back if I need to. It also supports the boards, keeps them flat. Then we have the front fence piece, which I can put my board, my stock, against this. And you noticed, of course, that I have these lockdowns. Purchased these some time ago, never really used them. Well, today was the day. That allows me to lock the piece in, thereby allowing me to concentrate on making my cuts. This is really a safe system. It's so safe I'm going to demo it for you right now. Let's go ahead and check it for square. You can see there's no room and there's no gaps. Absolutely perfect. And that's what that allows you to do. The table saw sled keeps your hands safe. Absolutely perfect. Every wood shop needs to have one of these. And I made mine, as you can see, 20 5/8 inches. Take up to that much stock. And it goes across 30 inches and 3/4 this way. And I have basically a line here that says this is 1 inch. And that should be plenty of cutting for the stock. If you need to go higher, then that's fine, but for the most part I'll be cutting paneling, these types of things. So the table saw sled really shines. The beauty of it, you can just take it off and set it somewhere in your shop when you don't need it. Bring it back and put it back into service. Question remains, what do we call this table saw sled? What does that back piece say to you? Go ahead and chime in on S&C Custom Designs on YouTube. Let us know what we should call this table saw sled. Thanks for watching, and God bless.